So I think for this week, I was working on the corporate social responsibility, which I have ready. I'm just gonna put in the documents. I have like seven of them, and should I just say like what I have?
Sure.
I mean, yeah, you can share with us. Why not?
Okay, so the some of the social responsibility that I found is like sustainable like imagery movement that we can create, free educational resources. Mental health is really not like related to like the business that we have. It's more of like making sure like it's just content, it's not a competition. You can just upload any photos. Open gallery for social cause, community-led like moderation and inclusive like inclusion policies is for everybody, and like the youth creator. These are like the few of them that I have. And I'm just gonna add like more bullet points to it, like to each of them. Um, and the Google Analytics, I did that too. Uh, and I think for you guys, there was, let me see. The vlog, Anand already submitted that to me. Um, I mean, Anand already submitted the group. Who was working on, oh, sorry, the logos. The logos.
I was gonna bring that up too, because I'm doing the East SEO, and I'm just configuring everything. So I need a logo to put for the website because that's part of the it's one of the configurations, and I need like the links to the social media, like the URL so that I can add. And then
Okay.
when that's done, it should be finished, but it'll take a while for the analytics to like show any changes
Did
on
you
what we
say
have.
you did the emails and password for social media?
No, just the URL. That so the link for the URL.
Okay, okay. I, like you don't need to sign in, you just need the link.
Nah, just a link.
Okay, so you just can go to the publicpixel.com, and I think Ananda made it available. Like you can click on the links
Oh,
and
it's there already.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
when
it's
you click.
already there.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay, okay.
yeah,
Okay,
it should
I
be
didn't know
there
that.
already. Yeah, I was about
Okay,
to say.
I didn't know that. My bad.
Um, yeah, I think Anna was working on creating user registration. Um, that was that. And what
Oh,
else?
I actually have some thing to tell about that.
Yeah.
The user registration is up as of right now. I just haven't tested it. The login's up and the photo request form is up. I did test the photo request form.
Okay. Sorry, I haven't gotten a chance to
Oh,
look.
I saw that photo request thing. It looks good. I didn't test it though,
No,
but
it works. I know
oh, that's okay,
exactly
perfect.
where the submission goes.
Okay. The
Special
website too still has like two category tabs.
Categories. Yeah.
Are we gonna? Yeah, are we gonna? What are we doing with that?
Okay, perfect. The registration is like up. Uh, let me see. Password, password. Okay. So that's there. About us is there. Um, so everything looks good, honestly. There is like really nothing else except the logos for this week. Oh, I don't see anything else on my note unless anybody you guys remember anything else. Oh, anyone check the logins for the public pixel email?
No, I'm sorry.
For the email?
The email address, yes.
No,
I'm not
No.
entirely sure where we have to log in, if I'm being completely honest.
Give me a quick second. I'll figure that right now. Um, let me see. Who pasted the email address and the password? Anyone has it?
I might have it. I'm not 100% sure. It would be on my Word document at my home computer.
So
At my home.
it was our last name, first name at thepublicpixel.com or .org.
I don't remember. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh wait. And this.
I see it in the comments section. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
I'm
Yeah.
able to log in and let me show you where you're gonna do that from.
Oh wait. So
Can you guys
2025.
see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I logged in on our admin website with this.
I'm going to forward this to you so you have it saved. Okay, let me log out. Can you click on this? See if you can log in. Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm gonna see for. Oh, okay. So what I logged in wasn't this. I see. Okay. Let me put in my password.
Music.
Sorry, I'm in a lounge. It's too loud. I'm in the mic. All right.
Let me know when all of you guys can log in. So that's something that's past this now.
I'm already logging in. Log it in.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm able to log in.
Okay. How about the other two?
Where are we supposed to log into?
The email address, the public pixel email address.
Yeah, using the link
The-
in the chat, right?
Yeah, that link in the chat.
Oh, it's not working for me. Give me a sec.
Maybe it's because I'm logged in. I don't know. That wouldn't make sense.
I don't think so because I'm already logging in.
Oh, so you're logged in too? Yeah.
Yeah, on my account.
I'm in as well.
Okay. I'm typing the task front on the
All right, I got it.
um, we already created.
I got it too.
Yes. Okay. Okay, that's good. Where is it again? No, no, no. Landon is still working on that. No, 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 no. That's that.
Oh, I know she might. I don't know if she's gonna access this week, but she was talking about whether we want to like an interview on if we want to continue the business or not. She
Which
wanted
one?
like an Monica. She said something last week about her interviewing us, like very short, and basically like we have to tell her if we want to like continue the business. Yes, no, why, and why, I guess. So I just wanted to bring that up. So that's something to think about. I don't know if she's gonna ask tomorrow, but you know,
Um,
just to think about.
Let me take a look at. Okay. I am on the finalization and the presentation preparation that she just sent out, I think, this morning. Final submission for all tasks by end of this week. You must complete the Google Analytics integration, Google AdSense. That's something coming up. Membership implementation, login, registration, etc. All done, which is Anna created. Website optimization, loading speed, user experience. That's on Linden already doing that, and then marketing is resident. That's also Anna doing that. Blog post done by Anona, done. CSR policies mission is okay. That's also done. Business structure plan. That's something we have something left to do, which is the corporation, LLC, or others. Part two, which is mandatory create 3 to 5 PowerPoint slides. Okay, that's okay. Easy, easy, easy. Uh, Okay. So as I'm looking at this, most of the things are already done. It's like you guys already did that. Um, yeah. Oh, has everybody sent the for headshot?
I did.
I don't know. Did you?
No, I'm gonna do it. Wait.
Lyndon, did you?
Yeah, I did mine.
One.
Oh, what did you say? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Did you send out the headshot?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good. So it's just that. What else is missing? Are we missing something? No. Okay. If you skim through like the week 7 requirements, we are like more than 50% done from that. Video meetings, recording, and everything that was part of links to everything. Okay, so we'll have everything ready by tomorrow morning. I remember Anna sending out every recordings up like every week, right? After the meetings.
Yep. After
Yeah.
after
So
this meeting, week 6 is all that's gonna be uploaded.
okay, let me and updated recording. I have the track. Let me see what else you're missing. CSR, mission, vision, documents. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, that's it for actually this week. Do you guys have any questions?
No, not really.
Okay. The logo, we still can take, like, we can take tonight and then let's decide tomorrow before the morning one to pick from.
Okay, that's fine with me.
Okay.
Because I have a logo. Actually, I'm gonna send it out in the chat now.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you
let
have
us see. Let us see.
And that's it. Nothing else. Unless you have any questions, you can go and enjoy your Sunday.
You could just send the logo
Oh, the
designs
logo.
into the group
Yes.
chat
Into the group chat.
after you show which one you have, obviously.
It's
'Cause-
actually pretty silly. Hold on. Um, Hold on. Here. Hello? Are you guys there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Did you guys see it?
No, I'm not seeing anything.
It's in
I didn't know you were.
It's in WhatsApp?
Oh,
Okay.
it's on WhatsApp. Oh, I thought you were sharing your screen. My bad.
It's pretty silly. Just like the public pixel, so the P is pixelated.
That's kind of nice. It's very simplistic. I liked it.
Okay, I just need you guys can like keep I mean this is not a permanent one.
Yeah.
We're obviously gonna change it. But that's something that we can probably like show her, ask her opinions on. I think everybody's tired. It's Sunday. Go out and have fun. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Okay. Do the rest of your day, everybody.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
All right.